Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to upload a document to DocuSign. All right, so first up, go ahead over to Home or log into your DocuSign account and then just click on Start. Okay, click on it, and once done, wait for this page to load. Now, once it loads, click on Upload. You can go ahead and select from your desktop or one of the connected apps right here, like Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, or Box. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to upload from my desktop. Just click on it. If you just want to upload one, just click on one PDF and hit on Open. If you want to upload two, just click and drag, select two, hit on Open. If you want to upload two or more, just make sure to select all of the files, okay? And once that's done, just hit on Open. As you can see here, it is now uploading. Just wait for it. And once done, you can now go ahead and add in your recipients and then hit on Next, okay? Here, for example, you just want the last page to be signed. So just go ahead and go to the very bottom right here. This is the last page. Hit on Signature right here, drag and drop, and maybe an initial. Okay, that's basically it. Once that's done, just hit on Send and you're good to go. Now, if you want to upload your files to a specific directory here under your DocuSign account, okay, you won't be able to do so by just having the regular DocuSign account. You'll need to create a CLM.DocuSign account. Okay, right here. Just got to click on Allow Access. Wait for it to load. As you can see here, it says CLM is not enabled for my account. I'll need to contact my administrator. Now, if you have access to your SSO, just go ahead and click on it and add your account to IT. If not, you will have to contact DocuSign support to enable the CLM for you. Okay, I have this documentation from DocuSign. Don't worry, I'll leave this one in the description. As you can see here, uploading a document to DocuSign CLM enables a robust set of features for document management. Okay, once a document has been uploaded, users can take advantage of all the features available in DocuSign CLM. Users can collaborate through comments and pinpoints, move documents as needed, and send documents for review. Okay, maximum of 20 files. And you have a ton of options right here, or multiple methods for uploading a DocuSign document to CLM. Okay, again, if you want to read through this, I'm just going to go ahead and leave it in the description. Also, you have the introduction to CLM right here. And to get access, just click on Access and follow this instruction. Okay, and there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.